There are so many reasons to travel by train. What's yours? Do you love that it's easy? Regular connections, products with the flexibility you need, a route into the heart of Europe's most beautiful cities. Is it the comfort, room to move, space for luggage, a chance to enjoy good food? Perhaps it's the landscape, the views, the access, the knowledge your journey is greener. All this at a price that fits any budget. Whatever your reason, the train will give you a unique experience. Begin your journey with Rail Europe. Inspiring connections.